Hey, it's Angela again. I was riding around in my truck and I saw so many foreclosed homes out there. This is Angela Farrell with Community Capital Bank, loan officer. I've been a loan officer for the last 7 years. And there's so many foreclosures out there and there's so much money available for us to get qualified buyers in these homes. And I just can't urge you enough. I'm getting ready to have a class to teach you all about all the different money that's available out there. We're new kids on the block. We haven't been around that long, but we have so many great programs. We're doing all of the county down payment assistance programs. We're doing the ANDP homes with the Cobb County, Clayton County, Fulton County, Atlanta, Rockdale, DeKalb, and we also do Georgia Dream and USDA Rural Housing. I teach classes every month at the Atlanta Urban League for qualified buyers to help them to become homeowners. But I want to urge you to let's take advantage of the money that's out there. Millions. Every county has money. I think Clayton County has probably $9,700,000 and some change dollars. But we're on all these programs. Give us a try. Give me a try. Give me a call. Let's take care of these buyers. Let's get more buyers into homes. It's a great time to buy no matter what they're saying. I'm hanging in here. I'm in for the long run. Again, I'm Angela Farrell, Farrell. You can reach me at 404-680-0699. Again, that's 404-680-0699. That's my cell phone. Call me anytime. Email me at bankonangela@aol.com or Facebook me at bankonangela or Angela Farrell. You have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.